Hi everybody, I'm François Certan from Bordeaux, and we're going to have a little tour among some vineyards of the family. And we're going to start first with Vieux Château Certan, who Alexandre and Guillaume is going to explain about the vintage 2019.
So the vintage 2019 started by a cool and wet early spring, which was great to refill the water stock for the beautiful weather that happened during flowering and the rest of the summer. The characteristic of the vintage is the cool nights close to harvest. And the cool nights when the berries are ripening is great to keep all the fresh aromas, the freshness, the crispiness, the bright acidity. So this wine shows this, the dynamic. It's very dynamic and aromatic. It's an absolutely excellent VCC. On top of this, the blend is very complete for Vieux Château Certan. You have 78% Merlot, 15% Cabernet Franc, and 7% Cabernet Sauvignon, which shows very well the span of grape varietal in Vieux Château Certan.
And we are close in 2019. We are close to the kind of vintage we produced in 2010, or maybe close to 1998, which is much more Merlot for us. But 2019 is at a very high standard quality wine, in the same range as 2009, 2010, 15, 16, and now back to 2019. 2019 is especially dynamic, which is for us very positive. In a way that the wine doesn't let you indifferent. The wine has its own signature, its own character. It's very important for us. The wine is, as we say in French, is hands-on and seamless. And the Merlots and the aromatic side of Cabernet Sauvignon, given in the blend, gives to the wine the complexity and length we need to achieve an excellent long-keeping wine.
So we hope to see you soon, and meanwhile be safe, and until then enjoy some good wines of Vieux Château Certan. Au revoir.
Welcome to Château Puygueraud. We're going to meet now Grégoire, our director, who will talk about the vintage 2019.
Welcome to Puygueraud. So let's speak about the vintage 2019. Which is a very well balanced vintage in Puygueraud, with always freshness with our clay, and very nice also expression. The tannins are very fine because we also reached a very nice maturity, but the rain in September afford a kind of freshness. We are currently working to the vintage 2020 with a nice weather today and some rain last week. Let's see soon to have a drink together. Goodbye.
Here we are in Saint-Emilion at Leaf, the estate from Jacques Certan, from Le Pin, and I'm here with Cyril Certan, winemaker and vigneron, and he's going to tell you more about the vintage 2019.
19 was a vintage with very marked season, a very hot summer, but by the way we had a very nice fall, quite cool, quite humid, with very cool nights, and so it really preserves the freshness of the aromas. And the big surprise of 19 is that we have a wine with lots of balance, and also thanks to the 25% of Cabernet Franc, I am convinced that we produce this year one of the most refined leaf we ever made. I would hope to have all of you here, but I hope you will enjoy the wine in the future.